We're here! Yay! We're here! What are we doing today? What are we doing?
What are we doing? Delicious low carb. Look how thin we are.
Yay! What are we making? We're making some low carb pizza today. Well, how are we gonna make it?
Air fried.
We're not making air fried today. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Okay, and then we did that. Hey!
Cheers!
Doing keto alcoholics here.
We're in the keto rehab.
Yes, today we're making. What are we making?
I wanna go to rehab. Oh no!
Okay, calm down, Miss Wykked. Mr. Fathead is going to show you how to make a pizza with almond flour, some mozzarella cheese, and cream cheese. It's going to taste so good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the dough.
He's a dough boy.
Yep. And we'll pop that in the oven.
And I'm the paprika pepperoni girl.
And then she's going to come back. This is called a tag team. She's going to come back and she's going to dress it up with the toppings, pop it in the oven. So let's get going. I got to finish this beer. And then I'm going to show you how to make some stuff up.
Stick around.
Okay. So we're back and we're going to do what you want. We're going to do the pizza, fat dough, fathead, whatever. It's almond flour. It's mozzarella cheese, cream cheese. This is going to be the dough, the base. So what we're going to do first is what we're going to do. We're going to take the cream cheese and put it in here. You're going to say, what am I going to do with that? I'm not going to do anything really. I'll put this in the microwave and melt it. Before we can mix it and make a dough ball, this has to be melted. Now you could do it over the stovetop. It's probably a little bit more professional, but right now I don't have time to do that and show that. So we're gonna use my buddy over here, Chef Mike. So we're gonna put that in there. We're gonna melt it. It's probably gonna take a minute or two, but we're gonna do it slowly in 30-second increments, and then as it goes, we'll come take it out. It'll be nice and melted. We'll mix the almond flour, and we mix that. We're gonna get like a dough ball, and we're gonna grease up a little pizza tray with a parchment paper. Right now, we can actually spray a little bit of oil right here. I'm using avocado oil. You see how that came out? That's 30 seconds. See, it's melting. Maybe another 30 seconds or two. Once it gets nice and melted, right now we'll get ready. We'll pop in that almond flour over here. Now I'll do a little dance. Wait a second, guys, stay here. I gotta show you something. We got beer. We shouldn't be drinking beer on keto, but low carb. Hey, look.
Okay, welcome to Keto Rehab.
Okay, that sounds about right. That's about a minute. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so
wow.
Gonna mix it up. It's
looks
real hot.
Mushy.
Let's mix that good. I think that's enough.
Okay, looks
so
mushy.
that was a minute.
Yummy,
now
yum.
Oh, and it smells so good.
I'm getting already hungry.
So we're gonna mix that good. Look at that. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Look at that gooiness.
Gooey.
We got that. I'm going to use my hands in a minute, but...
Couldn't you use a blender or something?
You don't even want to use a blender for this.
Like the real pizza dough maker guy.
We're getting a real pizza dough. This is the best pizza dough you have. Now, we do cauliflower pizza most of the time, but... Right now, we don't want to do a cauliflower. We're doing this our little fathead.
Yeah, we're tired of the gassing.
Hey, we've had too much cauliflower. Sometimes you want to... So now I'm going to use my hands. I'm going to say, hey, forget about it, right?
Forget about it.
I washed my hands. If anybody was thinking, if I didn't wash my hands, I like washing my hands. You always should wash your hands. Even without a COVID problem, you should wash your hands. Every day, wash your hands. The dough that I'm using has no eggs. Okay. All it is almond flour, cream cheese.
And the recipe gonna be under...
It'll be underneath here, cream cheese and about 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. Then we're gonna put some more cheese on top when we make the pizza. So, okay, so there we got it. We got our dough ball here. Put this over here. So we got our dough ball here.
A little bit olive oil.
Put some avocado oil over here on here, but I guess you could do avocado.
Yeah, you can do
So here, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna spread this out, and we're gonna make our little dough ball. We're gonna.
Yeah, work that thing out.
I am gonna get a parchment to use the rolling pin. I want it a little bit.
That's a very good idea, Smart. Don't make it too thin.
I don't want it too thin, but I want it a little bit bigger than this.
Oh, wow.
It's coming
getting
out.
better.
Getting better.
Yeah, just lightly, very gently.
Yeah, again, determine how thick you want it. You can either make it bigger or you can make it smaller. I like it. Make a big pizza.
It crusty, crispy.
I like a nice crisp.
Perfect. That looks perfect.
It looks perfect, right?
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
then we're gonna do it. I'm gonna put this right now.
Okay.
I'm gonna put this in the oven at 400, between 8 and 10 minutes. I'm gonna check on it in 8, see if it gets nice and crispy. And then we'll take it out, and then Miss Wykked's gonna come back, and then she's gonna dress it up.
All right. Look at it. Take a look at it. Oh, wow. Our pizza dough is done. Now we take it out. Looks nice and brown. Okay, pizza dough is done. Now I am going to show you how I like to dress it up. You can put something else, I don't care. But this is the way I make it. I have everything done by hand. I made my pizza sauce, tomatoes, sauteed in garlic, olive oil, and paprika. As you can see, it's rich. So I'm going to brush some of my pizza sauce. It's really easy to make, delicious, and you can put some bay leaves while it's cooking. You give some flavor, oregano, etc. Now next one, we're gonna do our cheese. I have close to 1 cup mix of mozzarella. I shredded from the hard ball, and then the Asiago cheese. So we mix it up. It gives a little salty, nice aged cheese flavor. I love that flavor. And remember, we put some cheese in our dough, so we eliminate most of the cheese that we normally put regular pizza. So we are only gonna put very little. We don't want to be turned into a cheese bodies. Okay, my next tops are my sauteed mushrooms. I sauteed it, roasted first, and then I put a little bit olive oil. I always pre-cook my mushrooms because they release a lot of liquid, and you don't want a soggy pizza. So my next toppings, I like to put some basil, fresh, right out of my garden. We do organic now. Okay, my next topping, I have some uncured ham. Doesn't have any sugar, but it's smoked. Has like a applewood flavor. It's yummy. So I love ham. I'm sure most of people do too. And it's real thin, so it'll be crunchy, like almost bacon. My next ingredient is going to be called sucuk. Turkish sucuk, like Turkish bacon, Turkish sausage, I will say, because it has a lot of spices in it. Okay, we got enough sucuk for now. I'm gonna put a little bit oregano, dry oregano, and it gives some Italian flavor. So it smells like an Italiano. My Turkish calamari black olives. They're cured in olive oil and lemon juice. They're delicious. You guys ready? Almost, right? We're building up our pizza mountain. I got shallots, and then I have some hot green long peppers. They're not jalapenos, so they're not super hot. I only put them on one side because my other partner does not like hot peppers. Now I'm gonna put a little bit chili flakes, just enough, and then put the rest of the, just to sprinkle a little bit. I think we're done. Okay, so our pizza ready to go in the oven at 400 degree and do maybe 8 to 10 minutes and it'll be done. And then we're gonna yum, yum, yum. Make sure I don't burn my hands. Okay. Let's see what happened. Ooh. Yum, yum, yum. My pizza. Nice and crunchy. Have a look. It can be done. Okay, there you have it. Our delicious fathead crust with Mediterranean sausage, olives, a ham. Delicious, yummy. I hope it tastes good as it looks. And I believe it will. And cheers, guys. Hope you enjoy your weekend.